Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my friend Malika.
Hi, today we're going to be making slime.
Yeah, she gets to keep
The slime.
the slime. Well, half of the slime because I'm going to be making the slime.
Half?
Yeah, half. Only half. Okay, so let's get on to this video.
Let's go.
You hold it. You talk.
Okay.
I go grab a bowl.
So, Maya's going to be grabbing the bowl, but till then, I'm going to be showing you what we're going to need for this slime recipe. We're doing like a freestyle thing. So, what you're going to need is white glue, kinetic foam,
Malika,
balls,
don't tell them what you're going to use.
and a bowl.
I'm back. Don't tell them. I'm back. So, what we're going to use is, let me show you. Sorry. Tide, a bowl, glue, foam, and a popsicle stick. So, let's get on to this video. Sorry you guys, I need to shut my door. I don't want anyone to see me. Okay. Sorry. Let's get started. So we're gonna do it over here. Maliks. So we have the bowl.
We got the foam, the glue, the popsicle stick.
So we have the foam. Okay, come up here. Grab this. So I have my friend here, of course. She's always here. So I'm only gonna be adding a little bit of glue. Can I pour it? That's enough, I think.
Now what can we add next?
Malika,
Yeah?
can you get some water out of this?
In the bathroom?
Yeah.
The upstairs bathroom?
I don't care which one. Okay. She's gonna go get us some water. Sorry. My baby don't mess around. So let's get started. So we already had the glue in. Let me show you. There's the glue. So that's the glue. Thank you, Molly.
Can I add the foam?
Yes, but not right now.
Okay.
And then Malika, would you like to mix it?
Yes.
Mix it with that side.
This side?
Yes. Don't mix it. Mix it slow. And then we're going to be adding this foam in. But not all of it. Well, actually, all of it.
Sorry.
Do I have anything to use? Yes, I do.
Okay, this is turning out pretty well.
Okay. There we go. Malika, you can stop now.
I want to
So
keep
now-
mixing it.
No, Malika, let go. Malika.
Okay. Now, can I add?
Now we're going to split it, and then we're going to add the foam. First, you need to add it a little bit at a time. And I think that's probably enough.
Okay.
So now I'm going to mix it this time.
Okay. Tell me when you're gonna stop so I can add more foam.
Comment down below if you think we should add color. I'm not going to add color because the tide's going to make it blue.
Okay.
Okay. I think you can add more. The rest. Okay.
Here, I'll mix while you add it. Okay, never mind.
Well, actually, you can mix what I added. But mix it slow, like I was. Actually, there we go. Okay, maybe I should do it.
Oh, please.
Fine. Should we add, I think we should add more foam to make it more foamy. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, now my turn. You can mix it when it's all mixed in.
Okay.
Wait, actually,
Never mind.
la. Mix with me.
I'll chop and then you mix. So I can really get the foam beads all choppy. This looks like
Okay.
cereal.
Okay, that's enough. I'll show you what it looks like. Watch your hand. Oh, it looks so staticky. So,
Looks like
now we're going to add the
porridge.
Tide, Malika. Put your...
Can I, here, I'll
No, Marika. Yeah, actually add it in there. Okay. We're both gonna mix it. I think we should add like a little more.
Okay, you keep mixing, and then I'm gonna add the Tide. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, there. Don't spill it on my dresser, please. Okay, that's good for now. So, we're pouring it in.
Now mix.
We can mix slow. And actually, you can mix slow. I added it.